That is actually
No,
a lot.
they're going to our place.
No, one team will definitely go for the helicopter. They always do that, but I know how to stop them.
Oh, in the dim zone.
Oh, I missed him. Got the guy who wanted to steal the helicopter. His colleague is here as well. What? I killed you? How did I kill you?
I don't know.
He thought it was classic.
It's classic, but it's payload lemah.
Oh, I tricked you. Yeah. Hehe, welcome to payload. I see a guy here. He's gone.
I think this guy.
Gecko.
But he stepped across the street.
He died instantly, so he's the last one. Oh yeah, I see one on the rooftop, 300, really far. Oh, close. In the building 295, rooftop building. He's leaving the house.
Hey.
Someone in the helicopter. Someone in the helicopter.
Yep.
Maybe this dude? Nice.
I hit him 3 times.
Keep shooting at it.
I'm out.
Oh, it's really hard with RPG to hit it. Yes, stand still, let's stand still. Yes. Perfect. Thank you, pilot. Thank you so much.
Yes.
I got him. This guy tried to aim with the helicopter RPG, the turret, and he forgot that I can hit them very easily as soon as they don't stop moving. Hey, they're here on the roof, these two guys.
Yep.
But you can jump on the helicopter, you see?
Yeah, but he can. You get him or what? Oh.
Someone already there.
Someone got a drone kill. There's a drone in the sky. I see a car moving away. 160. Follow it. Whoa! I hit this. Sorry, that's on me. Sorry, that was me. That was friendly fire.
Yeah.
That was on me. Almost. We got them. Almost. Ooh, close. 2 people in the house. Another one inside. One last inside. Nice job.
Yeah, boy.
Oh, come to Papa AWM. I see explosions outside school.
Marked a vehicle.
I don't see any enemies yet. At the wall. At the walls northeast.
Watch out.
Yes. Nice.
Hi.
One somewhere more in the open. Schoolyard. I tried to snipe him.
Yep. Outside the school. Outside school. Near the circle thingy. Yep. Do you see him?
I'm sorry, I'm trying to snipe them.
No.
I knocked one out. Sniping was not a good idea. This is also not the best place to land, to be honest, but it's okay. Finish this guy. One is somewhat close to us. Finish the other guy as well. I think he's in our building.
Yeah.
We got 3. Let's go get this guy too. Wait, look where I am. Lamau, what is this?
Enemies ahead.
Big brain time.
Where is he? Is he on the rooftop? Yeah, he's on the rooftop, guys. I got him. Oh, you hit him with the drone too. Nice work.
Lol.
Hey!
It was his. I was trying to shoot the drone.
Oh, I thought it's a person, but it's a radar. The wall hack. Yeah.
Marked a location.
Helicopter coming. 170. In the sky, guys. In the sky. I already hit the guy in the helicopter. Knocked him out. Yeah, boy. But be careful. Shoot it. Oh, amazing. Nice.
Oh,
Nice hit, Mr. Handsome.
that was.
Awesome. Juicy quadruple launcher. Why?
Ada heli.
Why do they stop flying
out.
with the helicopter when they see us? They should keep moving.
Dia jump.
Oi, we will die. We will die. I can't risk it. We cannot risk it. Our helicopter is too damaged. I see this dude. Body hits him. He's next to the helicopter. It's too far for quadruple. It's too far for quadruple launcher. But not too far for
Whoa.
AWM. It's never too far for AWM.
He hit me directly. He hit my helicopter directly. I did not die though. Oh, okay.
Watch out!
Dia the street now.
You need to be closer
Ayo.
with the quadruple launcher. Yeah, I see him.
Single.
Body hits him, the man in the ghillie suit, and he will... no, it's not him. No. I finished the knock guy. This ghillie suit man is still alive. I wanted to stop him revive, so I just finished the guy who was knocked.
Yep, still there.
This is so awesome. GG's.
Just can't escape RPG.
There's nothing you can do when the quadruple RPG comes for you. Yeah, they're coming right at me. 3 people. It's the last team. It's all of them. It's all of them.
Yep. Nice. Whoa. One left.
Yeah. No, 2
Two
left. 2 are left.
I see them though.
Watch out.
I'm sorry, got
They're right
sorry.
here.
We have to go away because they're
No,
gonna
it's okay.
Wait,
Yep.
Mr. Hansen. Wait. I got this. Yeah. My drone.
I have
My
one.
drone. Yeah, it is Mati
I have one
time.
drone.
Yes. GG's.
Yeah, GG's indeed.
Whoa, Conqueror.
Conquer.
Mm-hmm.